Yes, question is there कि Shashi Travels Private Limited gives the following discount to its customer as per the given tariff. Ticket amounts above the 70,000 8% discount, 55,000 1 to 70,000 16%, 35,000 1 to 55,000 12%, 25,000 1 to 35,000 10%, and less than 25,000 1 to 2%. So write a program to input the name and the amount of ticket for the customer. Calculate the discount and net amount to be paid. Display the output in the following format for each customer. Serial number, we have to print the serial number, name, ticket charges, discount and net amount. We have to assume that there are the 15 customer. First customer is given the serial number 1, the next customer 2, and so on. Hello students, now we will discuss about the discount on the ticket. According to the question, a company declare कि if any person या customer will purchase the ticket, the different type of the slabs या different type of the amounts, so then it will give the discount different types. So we have to make a program for discount on the ticket, and this ticket will print the serial number, name and ticket charges and discount, and then amount also. It will print the serial number, name, ticket, charges and discount. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to write the comment to calculate discount on ticket. Okay. Now next, we have to write the import java.util.star. You know very well. Then we have to define the class. Then we have to use the main function, public static void main string argument function. Then after that you have to use the scanner function. Scanner in is equal to new scanner system dot in. Now we have to use the variables. We are using here integer type of the variable 1. I for we are using 1 I and second is P. And double data type, the discount is 0 and amount will be the 0. I we are using this I for the loop. And P for the, we are using here P for the amount of the ticket. Okay, now clear? And now one more data type we are using is string. String data type for the name. So then we have to start our loop for I is equal to 1. Means loop will be start from the 1. And then the I is less than equal to 15, because in question is given that you have to make one chart of the 15 customer. We have to give the discount of the 15 students, customers. Okay, now I is increase 1 by 1, means it will calculate the first customer discount, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, like till the 15th. How it will do it? So system.out.println, enter your name, enter the name of the customer. First of all, you have to enter the customer name. Then the the name will be stored when you are using the scanner function. So then it will be stored with the help of the name is equal to in dot next line function. Same variable you will use here and here. Now we have to enter the customer amount. System dot out dot println enter the amount of the ticket, because there are the different type of the amount is given. 25,000, 10,000, 25,000 to 35,000, 35,000 to 55,000, 55,000 to 70,000, and more than 70,000. Different type of the slab is given, and the different type of the discount we have to give according to the question. Now you have to enter the name, you have to enter the amount. Suppose you have entered, if the value of the P, you can write here any variable, A also you can use here instead of the P. You have entered here the value of the P is 25,001, less than 20,001. So then discount will be P multiplied 2.0, 100.0. Now why you will see, sir, we are giving here 2.0 because we have already defined the discount in the double, so we have to use here decimal. So 2% discount, and then it will print the serial number. Here output में you will see the output, the serial number and customer name and discount like this. And suppose the value you are giving the more than 25,012 and less than equal to 35,000, means take from 25,001 to 35,000. So then discount 10%. And suppose you are giving the money more than 35,001 and the value of the amount is less than equal to 55,000. So then discount is 12%. And if the value of the P is greater than 55,000 and less than 70,000, so then discount is P multiplied 60.0 divided by 100.0. Now if next condition, if the amount is, the value of the amount is P is greater than 70,000, so then discount is P D is equal to P multiply 18.0 divided by 100.0. So means any type of the amount when you will give, so then it will give the discount, and then after that it will print the first line according to the question. It will print the serial number, then name, then ticket, charge, and then discount. These are the headings. Now you see we have already given here /t, escape T here. The meaning of this escape T means it will give the space vertically, sorry, horizontal. It will give the space horizontal. 8 character space means first word serial number will be print, so then after that it will give the 8 character space, so then name will print, and here is giving the double T, so then double. Okay, so then you can print the full record you have given the discount of the 15 customers. You can make the list of the 15 students, those got the discount, okay, according to the slab. So I think all the students are understand well how it will be the calculate the discount and how it will be the print. Okay, thank you.